Top 5 Programming Languages in 2023 for Tech Job Seekers. To ensure you start your technology career with the right language is a must. Check out the top 5 programming languages in 2023 to learn for tech job seekers. Number 1. Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today and is easy for beginners to learn because of its readability. It is a free, open-source programming language with extensive support modules and community development, easy integration with web services, user-friendly data structures, and GUI-based desktop applications. Python is used to develop 2D imaging and 3D animation packages like Blender, Inkscape, and Autodesk. It has also been used to create popular video games, including Civilization 4, Vegas Trike, and Toontown. Python developers earn average annual salaries of about $109,092. Number 2. Java. Java as general-purpose programming language with its object-oriented structure has become a standard for applications that can be used regardless of platform because of its write once, run anywhere, WARA, capabilities. Java is used on the backend of several popular websites, including Google, Amazon, Twitter, and YouTube. Also, Java programmers have an extensive online community and support each other to solve problems. Developers with Java coding skills are in high demand. The average Java developer earns around $109,225 each year. Number 3. Ruby. If you want to start with a language that is known for being relatively simple to learn, consider Ruby. Developed in the 1990s, it was designed to have a more human-friendly syntax. A web application framework that is implemented in Ruby is Ruby on Rails, ROR. Ruby developers tout it for being an easy language to write in and also for the relatively short learning time required. The average salary for a Ruby developer is around $121,000 per year. Number 4. C#. Developed by Microsoft, C# rose to fame in the 2000s for supporting the concepts of object-oriented programming. It is one of the most used programming languages for the .NET framework. C# is best suited for applications on Windows, Android, and iOS, as it takes the help of the Integrated Development Environment product, Microsoft Visual C++. C# is used on the back end of several popular websites like Bing, Dell, Visual Studio, and MarketWatch. C# developers earn around $111,760 per year. 5. C++. C++ is an enhanced version of C. Many developers today skip learning C on its own, while others think learning C first provides a valuable foundation for C++ development. Both languages are widely used in computer science and programming. C++ is widely used in developing applications where performance is a critical issue, such as client-server applications, commercial products like Firefox and Adobe, and video games. C++ developers earn an average of $118,366 each year. So if you are planning to advance your career or change careers completely, it requires you to master a programming language. Now choose the right one. Stay tuned for more informative videos. SynergisticIT, home of the best data scientists and software programmers in the Bay Area. Call 510-550-7200.